Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Bakkesmod into Rocket League on PC. So first of all, you need to have Bakkesmod. So to install it, you're going to go to bakkesplugins.com, then press hold right there Bakkesmod, and then press download Bakkesmod. And go ahead and save it to your desktop. Once you have it on a desktop, you want to go ahead and right click on the zip folder here and press extract all. Press extract, and here you will have Bakkesmod setup. You want to go ahead and double click on it. Now after this, you will see to continue, this installer will close any open instances of Rocket League, and you want to press yes. After this, you want to create a desktop shortcut and install it. Then press yes. And now, after it will done setting up, you will see this message that uninjected, waiting for user to start Rocket League. So first, you need to open up Bakkesmod always, and then go ahead and launch Rocket League after that. And you will see this message, injecting, and then injected, press F2 in Game Per Options menu. Now, after this will open up, you want to go ahead and press F2. And now, as you can see, the Bakkesmod settings opened up. If something is wrong, you want to relaunch both of those, but just make sure that Bakkesmod mod injector is opened up first before Rocket League. And now here you can go ahead and install plugins and many other things. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.